Keep your Philips Therapy Mask 3100 NC or Therapy Mask 3100 SP clean by washing it regularly. You should also wash it before you wear it for the first time. Take your mask apart by grasping the back of the cushion and pulling it away from the frame. Whether you're using a silicone pillows or nasal cradle cushion, you will feel a pull when the magnets separate. Now pinch the upper corner of the headgear fabric and peel the fabric completely away from the wing. Repeat on the other side. Finally, pull the tubing quick release from the device tubing. If you're using a 12mm tube with your CPAP device, no quick release is needed. Hand wash the non-fabric parts of your mask daily, the cushion, frame, and tubing quick release, with mild liquid dishwashing detergent. Fully submerge the parts in warm, soapy water so that no air pockets remain. Rinse them thoroughly under running water and let them air dry completely. The fabric headgear should be hand-washed weekly or as needed, using mild liquid dishwashing detergent. After rinsing, spread it out flat or hang it on a line to dry. Do not place mask parts in a clothes dryer. Be sure all mask and headgear parts are completely dry before you reassemble them. This is a good time to check your mask for cracking or tears and replace any worn or damaged parts. For complete assembly instructions, refer to the assembly and sizing video.